Welcome to my channel.
Life is relationships.
Here is a complete, full, and highly knowledgeable report on relationship advice for women and men, written in clear, professional, and helpful English.
Relationship advice for women and men.
Healthy relationships don't happen by accident, they are built with intention, communication, and mutual respect. Whether you are a man or a woman, understanding the emotional needs, behavioral patterns, and communication styles of your partner can transform your relationship from ordinary to extraordinary. This report highlights the most essential principles that both men and women need to build a strong, mature, and lasting connection. 1. Understanding emotional needs.
For women, women often feel loved when they are emotionally understood. They value affection, reassurance, meaningful communication, and consistent behavior. When a man listens without judgment, shows empathy, and makes her feel emotionally safe, she naturally feels connected and respected.
For men, men value appreciation, respect, and emotional peace. They feel loved when their efforts are recognized and when their partner trusts their decisions. Men often express love through actions, so acknowledging their loyalty, hard work, and support creates emotional strength inside them. 2. Importance of effective communication.
Communication is the heart of every relationship. Most relationships fail not because people stop loving each other but because they stop communicating effectively. Healthy communication includes speaking honestly without hurting, listening without interrupting, understanding instead of blaming, expressing needs clearly, avoiding silent treatment or emotional withdrawal. Both partners must learn to talk with each other, not against each other. 3. Trust and loyalty, the foundation of love.
Without trust, love becomes fragile. Without loyalty, relationships become unstable. For women, trust grows when a man is consistent, keeps his promises, and stands by her in difficult times. For men, loyalty shines when a woman respects him, protects his dignity, and stays steady in her commitment. Trust is not built through big gestures, it is built through small actions repeated every day. 4. Respect, the most powerful relationship rule.
Respect is more important than romance. When respect disappears, the relationship slowly dies. Respect means avoiding insulting words, valuing each other's opinions, not comparing your partner to others, giving space and freedom, appreciating efforts, not controlling or restricting. A relationship where respect exists becomes strong even in hard times. 5. Understanding differences between men and women. Men and women think differently, feel differently, and express emotions differently. Understanding these differences prevents unnecessary conflict.
Women express emotions openly, want detailed conversations, look for emotional closeness, need reassurance and consistency.
Men express love through actions, look for solutions instead of emotional talk, need respect and appreciation, avoid conflict through silence. Recognizing these natural differences helps partners understand each other better.
6. Managing conflicts maturely. Arguments happen in every relationship. What matters is how you handle them. Healthy conflict strategies. Speak calmly. Avoid blaming words. Take short breaks if needed. Discuss solutions, not problems. Forgive genuinely. Immature fights weaken love. Mature conversations strengthen it. 7. Quality time and presence.
Love grows when partners spend meaningful time together. Phones, social media, stress, and work often create emotional distance. To strengthen bond, eat meals together, take evening walks, have deep conversations, go on regular dates, travel together, celebrate small moments. Time is the greatest investment you can make in love. 8. Appreciation and encouragement.
Everyone wants to feel valued. Simple words like, "Thank you, I'm proud of you," and "I love you," can heal emotional wounds. Women feel appreciated when their care is noticed. Their efforts for the home or family are valued. Their feelings are respected. Men feel appreciated when their hard work is recognized. Their decisions are respected. Their presence and support are acknowledged. Appreciation keeps love alive. 9. Avoiding toxic behaviors.
Maintain a healthy relationship. Both partners must avoid jealousy and unnecessary suspicion. Checking phones or messages. Psychological manipulation. Constant criticism. Comparing partner to others. Over-possessiveness. Toxic behavior destroys trust and emotional peace. 10. Keeping love alive. Love is not something you find once, it is something you build daily. Ways to keep love strong. Express affection often. Give compliments. Plan small surprises. Keep promises. Celebrate milestones. Be each other's support system. A strong relationship is built on repeated effort, not one-time gestures. Conclusion.
A successful relationship requires emotional understanding, patience, loyalty, respect, and communication. Both women and men must recognize each other's emotional needs and differences. When two people choose each other every day, through honesty, empathy, and love, the relationship becomes powerful, peaceful, and long-lasting. Healthy relationships don't happen by luck. They happen when two people work together, grow together, and value each other deeply.
Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me today. If this video added a little light to your day, consider subscribing to join our growing family. Your support means the world, and I can't wait to share more with you.